Hey traders! If you're looking to make your crypto trading life easier and more profitable, you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount on Cryptohopper. So, what exactly is Cryptohopper? Think of it as your personal trading assistant, available 24/7, never sleeping, and always ready to pounce on the best opportunities. Gone are the days of staring at charts for hours on end or missing out on trades because you were, well, living life. Cryptohopper is an automated trading bot that lets you trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a ton of altcoins without lifting a finger. All you have to do is set your strategy, and Cryptohopper takes care of the rest. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete newbie, this tool is designed to help you maximize profits while minimizing risks. One of the coolest features of Cryptohopper is its ability to backtest your strategies. This means you can see how your trading plan would have performed in the past, allowing you to tweak and optimize before going live. No more guesswork. And let's not forget about the marketplace. Here, you can buy and sell trading strategies and signals from top traders around the world. It's like having access to a global network of trading experts right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. Cryptohopper also offers paper trading, so you can practice your strategies without risking real money. Perfect for those who want to learn the ropes before diving in. So why should you consider using Cryptohopper? For starters, it saves you time. You can automate your trades and let the bot do the heavy lifting, leaving you free to focus on other important aspects of your life. Plus, with its high level of customization, you can tailor your trading to match your personal style and risk tolerance. Ready to unlock your crypto potential? Click the link in the description below to get your discount and start using Cryptohopper today. Happy trading!